My name is Kyle Friedman, and I'm the owner of the Wallen Company. I'm a firm believer that you can't become an entrepreneur. I feel like you're just born one. So I went to school for audio engineering, and I had to view an apartment to rent. And when I got there, it was 10 p.m. and the person was showing it to me. He was painting. He said, if you had a painting company, you could make a pile of money. So I said, I've got a painting company. Soon I had all my friends working for me. It was pretty cool, and I was still going to school for audio engineering. So I moved to Calgary with a snowboard and a backpack and $500 in 2012.
My name is Charles Osuji, and the name of my office is Osuji and Smith Lawyers. I'm originally from Nigeria. I was a lawyer at age 23. So when I came here, I challenged the qualification exams, and I wrote the bar exams in 2014. And in 2016, I became a partner in this office where I articled as a student. And in 2017, I brought up my partner. So from get-go, I was focused and I worked really hard.
My name's Elizabeth McRae and I own Commercial Ventures. We're a boutique business brokerage and consulting firm. We work with business owners through a variety of stages of their business, helping them to prepare for sale and transition new ownership into their business and help them exit. I got into this because my husband and I bought a tire franchise in 2012. And like a lot of business owners, you write the business plan and you jump in, and it never works out the way that you thought it was going to. I knew for some reason that I couldn't just walk away or close the doors. I had to sell this business, and I had to go through the entire process because I knew inside it was going to help me toward my next business or my next goal. And I was fascinated by this process of moving on and how do you transition out. And it's really a freedom strategy. It's not an exit strategy. It's not about succession. It's about having an opportunity plan instead of an exit plan. And when it's done smoothly and gracefully, it's amazing.
So currently I have two painting companies, City and Color Painting and Zoom Painting. And then we have a manufacturing line, which is oakanash.ca. And we're coming out with technology for subcontractors that's called AnyWork. Our goal with the painting company is to spread across Canada, and then we're going to enter into the US. When I started out, it was always that everybody thought that I was too young, and it was really difficult to land projects and jobs just because people weren't confident in me. So I remember when I was in my early 20s, just having a hard time with it, so I just tried to look older. I grew a beard. So honestly, these days I just wake up completely charged about my people. I feel like the people that I've hired are the next generation of Calgary's top CEOs. The reason I want to build an international painting company is because no one's done it. And painting is just the tool that I'm operating with right now.
One of the biggest challenges was the fact that I'm an immigrant. When I came to Canada in 2011, I did not have the kind of professional network I had back in Nigeria. People come to me when they are in the most difficult places in their lives, in their very dark moments. That is when most people come to lawyers. And you need to be able to help them. You need to be able to give them a good experience. I want to do the best I can so that I could go back home and sleep feeling that I've done the best I could for the client. At the end of the day, in 5 years' time, I expect to have at least 2 locations in Calgary. And in 10 years' time, I expect to have more than that.
Business owners are passionate and resilient and some of the most hardworking people that I've ever met. You see someone who's dreamed about owning their own project or their own business or their own enterprise for years, and you see them accomplishing that dream and changing their entire life. The goals for my business are to really create information that's accessible to business owners, because I believe that every business owner should know how to exit their business and should understand how to value their business. And that's the vision that we have for Commercial Ventures, is that we are education and collaborative based, and we work together with the other advisors that you need on your team.